people would say there's nothing left of Howe Sound, it's dead.
And that long history of industrial damage was over.
We must never take it for granted.
Our nature gives us hope that we have something here really, really, really worth fighting for.
Such a difficult thing to achieve. It's such a prestigious designation. Yet, you've achieved it. You've done it.
And so here we are, Canada's 19th UNESCO Biosphere region.
Think about what you're paying forward in the stewardship to the next generations.
There are so many people that love this region that have contributed.